Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, January 21st. We are in the car on our way to the airport because we are going to Fuerteventura, Canary Islands, for a week. So I'm gonna vlog this trip and I'm gonna do some outfit shots. So I hope you guys are excited to see what Fuerteventura is like. Are you excited?
Yeah. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time.
Hi! Long time since I last video vlogged. I haven't video vlogged since we got here. It's so we got here about 24 hours ago. Whoops. And last night we just walked around and had dinner and went to bed early, and today we've been at the beach and now it got a little cloudy, so we're going for a run. We went working out this morning as well, so 2 workouts in a day, that's a good thing. So now we're going for a run and then we're going to change and get some dinner and yeah, so we're having a great time.
With the weight of the world on my shoulders, I know I told you it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might.
Okay, so we're on our way to the second dinner, because we had the buffet last night. That was no good, so we're going to the restaurants now. And it's so pretty here. The sky is pink. There's palm trees everywhere. It's a little bit cold, but we'll manage. Monday and rain. So the weather is bad today. It's raining and sunshine and rain and sunshine. So a little bit bummed about that, but yeah, what you gotta do.
I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something.
Look at that idiot.
Huh?
Hmm?
Good morning. It's Tuesday today, and I just filmed what's in my travel bag video. So if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll link it below and here somewhere. So I'm gonna take my makeup off now and head down to the pool because it's blue skies and sunny today. Yesterday was kind of bad, the weather, but we got like 2 hours in the sun, so I can't wait to head out to the sun today. I've also done a get ready with me for the beach, so go check that out as well. Also linked down below and here somewhere. I wanted to show you what I brought with me this time. I got like a lot of travel sizes here. So this is the coconut milk conditioner and shampoo in travel sizes. I got some new sunscreen in 10. I also got SPF 50 and 20. We got the after sun. This is from Evi. It's mousse, so it's twice as much in this one as it looks. I also got my hair mask in this one from Rocknoil. Then I got a new foundation, which I'm testing out from Bobbi Brown. All my makeup here. My perfumes from Nina Ricci and Gucci. Small sizes, travel sizes, always good to have. And I got all my everyday cleansers from Clinique. linen crease, biotin, my Kiehl's hydrating mask, and everything else we need. Coconut water, hydration oil, my body lotion, my dry shampoo, my facial wipes. So that's all in my beauty cases. So yeah, gotta take this makeup off and head to the beach now. Hi guys, it's Wednesday and we got like soon 3 days left until we leave home. So I thought I would show you a little bit of where we're staying. So it's around 3 o'clock here now. And it's super hot today, so it's amazing. And I've just gone down by the beach so that I can show you. We're not staying at the beach because it's windy here as hell. So we're staying by the pool because it's not as windy. But there's a lot of palm trees and we're staying at the Elba Carlotta Beach and Convention, I think it's called. And it's just 15 minutes ride from the airport, so it's perfect. But let me show you around. This is the outer area of the hotel. There we go, ocean. As you can see, a lot of palm trees here. And just here, it's the exit for the beach, which I think we're gonna go to one day because I got a new GoPro that I want to test. Here's the beach. Super cozy, but windy. We can go back to the pool area. Dripping lights paint the sky. In the back there you can see our hotel. This is the whole pool area. You'll soon see the pool. We are in Puerto del Rosario, which is the capital of Fuerteventura. It's like really small, but only like 20 minutes from our hotel. So we are here to check this city out and get some food and maybe do some shopping. But we don't know. Okay. Food.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping light.
Good morning, Thursday. Today is gonna be a really good day because the sky is blue. Full time now. Maybe a workout later because you can't do a workout when the sky is so blue. Because it's been cloudy some of the other days. So when the sky is all blue like that, you need to go to the pool and get your tan on. Oh, wearing my new shorts and my bikini. So, full time. It's lunchtime! Just finished at the gym. And now we're heading down to our last full day here. So we're gonna stay by the pool and enjoy the last full day. It's a little bit cloudy now, but hopefully it will be better. Shower first. Testing the GoPro for the first time.
I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way I think that
Time for the last dinner.
in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something. I keep my time in a pocket. I wanna find a new keeper. I like the way.
So we're back in freezing cold Norway after an amazing week at Fuerteventura. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in my next one.
On my shoulders, I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am